We're doing the seat cover and cushion today. Like OEM material. Here's the instructions. So this truck has 240,000 miles on it, and overall the interior is in pretty good condition after I carpet cleaned most of it. This seat, just due to this, can't recover that, and the padding is like gone right here. So we got a new cushion. Look at this. That's gonna look brand new. I might have to clean this better now to try to match that. And then we went to theseatshop.com to get the foam. Here's the item on that. So that wasn't priced too bad. So now we gotta get this in there. I've already pulled, I don't think you need to remove, I've already pulled that out. It was just a clip in the front. There's gonna be a clip on either side for the cover, and you gotta pull that out. And then, see that? Just like this. Find your clip, and it's just no bolts, nothing, just unclip it. That one, when I looked at this, was already undone. This little piece of plastic, you just pop it out, and then get the clips in the back. All right, so what we did here, it's just this one that was on the back of the seat. And once that, because we pulled this back, we can get this, slide that off, and now you should be able to pull out the entire seat. Don't pull this too hard because you don't want to break it. Look at that. So this was, I did that in under 10 minutes. Okay. So you just got one clip either side, lock in the front, lock in the back. Velcro piece here. And then someone cut that one on the other side. I wonder if they did that because they doing it the way I'm doing it right now. We'll find out here in a second. All right, so this is what we're looking at now. This foam is pretty close to the original. It might actually be a little bit firmer even. We shall see how it wears over time. Upholstery, guys, and this thing looks mint, looks OEM. These come with clips in them, and on this blue stripe right here is what clips into these blue things. So what you do is you put the cover on there without clipping it in, get it to the roughly the right position that you want, kind of compare it to your old one, you know, how far down this position is, and then you peel it back up and you start clipping in both sides, and then you're going to rip or fold the outsides back around it. All right, this is about what we're looking at. I might need to pull this a little bit lower. As you can see, that side's, but it's close. I'm just giving a visual now, so how much better this is going to look with a new seat. And look at how close the material is. It's even got the white stitching to match. So nice. Very nice product from these two companies here. All right. I got the Velcro lined up. It's perfect. Okay. So we got that in. We have pulled it through and put that back in its spot. Do that first, and then I'm going to lift this up and get those side pieces in there. Probably going to end up, I'm going to get the side pieces in there, attempt to do the front, and then do the two side ones last. I actually think with the different design that this one has, it might not. We'll see how well I can get that from. All right, so I got the back piece on. I did have to take this off to really get in there. The good news is it's a couple push pins, and these side pieces are reasonably flexible, and they're just pinch tabs. So get those in first on both sides, and then, you know, hit it, pop the tabs back in. Okay, I run into a brief issue with the front. This rubber piece with the hook needs to be the other direction. So there's the bar. If it was facing the other direction, you know, just pop it on, but you flip it forward. Like, there's no way to get this hook onto this bar. There's no tab to use the hole up there. So I went back through the box and I found 3 screws. And I don't know if this came with the cover or the cushion, but what I'm probably gonna do is now I'm gonna get the sides in first, and then I'm going to probably run this right up against here and then screw it to this metal plate. I'll put a screw in it, and I think they are self-tapping, and it looks like that's what whoever made this designed it for, which it sure seems like it'd be easier just to have hooked it onto that, don't you think? So that's one design review for them. All right, let's see if we can't see those. There's that one. And can we see the other one? That one. Now it's just the front, and like I said, it came with the screws. We're going to attempt to screw that rubber part straight into this frame. Push it up like this, put a screw through it. All right, and we got 1, 2, 3. Careful when you're doing these cloth ones. You know, any little piece of dirt on your arm is just going to get on here. So I guess it's a good thing I wasn't doing this for a customer, because now I'd have to clean that up a little bit and in front. But still, it's on there. All 4 corners clipped, the 2 clips either side, the back one clipped, the front secured, and we got a nice cushion on the side bolster right here, and brand new seat cover that's clean. Obviously right there is not so clean, but like I said, if I had this professionally detailed, it probably would look pretty decent and match closely. So but we're not going to do that anytime soon. I just wanted a nicer seat because the other one was pretty wore out. So that's how you do this. Would it be easier in hindsight with it out of the car? Absolutely. Especially for that one, the 2 side pieces really. So if you can pull it out quick, then do that. If not, I suppose after a couple times of doing this, it wouldn't be that quick it wouldn't take that long to do it the way I just did it. Combination of filming, combination of first time, did take me probably about 2 hours to do this, and I would just expect it to be a lot quicker if I have done this, you know, 5, 10 or more times. So, but it's possible to do in car, and I did it. Remember, I have the flip up center console. I do not have the bucket seat. I assume it might be a little bit different for bucket seat if you got those, you know, any fancy additions. But for the 40, 60, or what, 40, 20, 40 type, definitely you can do it in car, and it shouldn't take terribly long. So I just gotta snap that back part on and I'll be done. But I'll sign off here, and subscribe if you want to see more.